My name is Sarah, and I'll put my name on the top here. And this is the second video I'm making where we get to create and solve our own problem, and our only really guideline is that we do the same as the last, except we can't do any more than 50 pieces. It might get a little crazy if we do. So I think I'm going to stick with 12s. I think I'm going to do 9 over 12. And I'm going to see if it's less than, greater than, or equal to 4 12s. And I think this time I'm going to use a different manipulative. I'm going to try out the bar. So there's no 9 fractions, so I have to type in 9. Here are my 9. Oops, I mean my 12. My bad. That's my numerator. 12. Okay. So I'm going to shade those in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I'm going to grab another 12. I'm going to shade those in. 1, 2, 3, 4. So clearly, as you can see, 9 is bigger than 4 since we can compare the numerators because the denominators are the same. But like I did last time, you can put them on top of each other to see the difference, and you can see that 9 twelfths has many more shaded. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more shaded than the 4 over 12ths. So now that we know that 9 twelfths is greater than 4 twelfths, we need to plug in our sign. So since we know that 9 twelfths is greater and the sign needs to be open to the bigger fraction, like that, it reads that 9 twelfths is greater than 4 twelfths.